Okay, so day 8. This is actually day 5 for me. So you can go back and see the video I made for day 5, and then I'm just making this video straight after that video. Okay, so day 8, right? Reason. Um, this is going to be the eclipse for me. I'll be doing the eclipse today. Uh, it's quite an interesting eclipse for me as well. I have no idea what's going to happen today. So, but from 3 days prior to today, I'm thinking reason. We go into the sphere of Mercury, right? I hate Mercury. Interesting concepts about Mercury, right? Some ideas connected with Mercury. In Hindu astrology, which is the oldest tradition or culture we've got, intact culture we've got that's still running on the planet. Mercury is called Buddha. There's another word. Jupiter in Vedic astrology is guru. So there's two words we're familiar with. Mercury and Jupiter are Buddha and guru. Okay, so Mercury, when it comes to the tree of life, it's got a funny place. It's like it's like the odd one out in the tree of life. It's got so much significance, and yet it's got from my point of view, there's a real potential lot of corruption. It's a dual planet. In a sense, it's two-faced. But another way of looking at that is that it's got one face looking at the past and one face looking at the future, like Janus, who the Romans considered to be the one, the real true God. The real God behind the gods. And then Mercury's got a lot of he's got a connection with healing, herbalism. Which is the good stuff, but it's also ceremonial magic where there's there's a potential darkness there. I mean, there's potential darkness with herbalism, with like poisoning and stuff like that. But Mercury, one of the symbols of Mercury is the caduceus, and it's to do with like medicine and healing. Right, there's an aspect of rationality that because Mercury rules the rational mind, that can be misleading. If it's not absolute rational reasoning, if it's absolute reason will lead to understanding, but if it's reason based on feelings and stuff like that, and emotional realities, then there is no actual connection to physical reality and spirit and understanding. So Mercury can be very corrupting. As an actual element, it's poisonous, but it's got its uses. Mercury has got potential incredible uses. It's got properties that no other element has got, and so it needs to be treated with caution. But it's like it represents the right hand. In the book of Job, the right hand is what can save you. It's all, in a sense, it's the essence, it's the crux of the meaning of the book of Job. It's all about Mercury and its potential to save you. You've got to get a hold of the rational mind when you're dealing with all this stuff. So this is a crucial thing. It's a horrible thing. I don't like it. I don't like Mercury. He's so tricky. He's so difficult. And Quicksilver. you know, and but it's got to be dealt with somehow. Now I like to try and balance it with Venus. You know, use that, get the Venus aspect of the balancing it going on, the morning star, get it all in perspective. You know, but it does balance up the morning star. So that's one way of looking at it. Look at them, put them in your balance, get the balance going. Use day 7's knowledge and put it up to the day's knowledge. We'll see how the actual day goes with the eclipse, and then we can carry on from there. So yeah, this is it for this video.